Welcome to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Nabana Scholarship, application form download, eligibility and last date. The Chief Minister of West Bengal provides scholarship every year to the students who passed the Madhyamik examination or higher secondary exam or any university examination. This scholarship, also known as Nabana Scholarship, provided by West Bengal Chief Minister Relief Fund WBCMO. Eligible students can apply for CM Relief Fund scholarship. This scholarship provides amount 10,000 per year on your current course. WBCMO Nabana scholarship available for Madhyamik passed students who are currently studying in class 11th or 12th. College and university students can also apply for Chief Minister Relief Fund Nabana scholarship. Download the application form and apply online. Nabana Scholarship Information Chart. Scholarship name WB Chief Minister Nabana Scholarship. Providing authority West Bengal Chief Minister Relief Fund. Eligible courses HS, UG Honors, PG, Medical, Engineering, Nursing, Paramedical Diploma and PG. Application method. Online and offline options both are available. Application start any time of current season. Official website http://wbcmo.gov.in. WBCMO Nabana Scholarship Eligibility Criteria. Students must have to fulfill the following eligibility guidelines for apply WBCMO scholarship scheme in West Bengal. The eligibility criteria for Nabana scholarship is given here. Resident. Student must be a permanent resident of West Bengal. Then he or she can apply for this scholarship. Only a permanent resident of West Bengal can apply for Nabana scholarship. At the time of application, residential certificate will require. Course details. Candidates must be passed the last examination from any recognized board, council or university of West Bengal and must currently studying on any institution in West Bengal. Percentage required. Students must have 65% marks in Madhyamik for apply HS course and 60% marks in HS for college students and 55% in undergraduate for postgraduate students. For applying this scholarship, students must be passed with a number not more than 75%. Students who scored more than 75% are not eligible for Chief Minister Relief Fund scholarship. Annual family income. The annual family income of the applicants is not exceeding rupees 60,000. Candidates having more annual family income than this limit cannot apply for Nabana scholarship. Other criteria. Students who are enjoying any other state government or central government scholarship are not eligible for this scholarship. Now talking about the application process of Nabana scholarship. Application procedure for West Bengal Chief Minister Relief Fund scholarship is offline. Candidates can apply for this scholarship by two methods. One applies through the application form and another is through writing an application. Follow the step-by-step process for apply Chief Minister scholarship scheme. Download the Chief Minister Nabana scholarship application form, or you can write an application letter in your own handwriting with mentioning all their details information. Recommendation copy and self-declaration. At first, fill the scholarship application form carefully with all the details and then attach a recommendation copy of MLA or MP and a copy of self-declaration by head of your institution. Other documents. Attach the following documents with the filled application form or with the application letter. Mark sheet of the last exam passed, admission receipt or current course, photocopy of bank passbook front page or cancelled check, Aadhaar card, income certificate from Gazette Officer A, rank card of entrance examination. Submit the application form. After completing all the process, submit the application form on the following address as per your location, which is showing on your screen. The only candidate or his parents can submit the application form on Nabana. If you send the filled application form through speed post, there is no surety to get this scholarship. Receipt copy. After submitting the application form, They will verify it and gives a receipt copy with a unique receipt number for further use. You can visit Nabana with this receipt copy to check your CM Relief Fund scholarship application status. Application last date. There is no exact last date for applying this scholarship scheme. Students can apply at any time of his current course for this scholarship. Nabana Scholarship Online Application Process. Now students can apply online for Chief Minister Relief Fund Nabana Scholarship. Follow the steps and apply online for this scholarship. Download all the application forms and take printout. Fill the application form correctly and attach the required documents with it. Scan all the pages and save as PDF format. Now send the PDF file to this official email address of West Bengal Chief Minister Relief Fund Education Department. The official email address is showing on your screen. Write application form for scholarship on the email subject option. If you will be selected for the Nabana scholarship, they will contact with you. Otherwise, you may not receive any type of reply from them. You can also write an application on the email body mentioning your academic details and other informations. Selection process for CM Scholarship Scheme. The selection process for the Chief Minister Scholarship completely merit-based. The scholarship is provided to needy students. After submitting the filled application form correctly, candidates can receive an email or SMS from WBCMO Relief Fund about his or her scholarship application status. The amount of Nabana scholarship will be directly transferred to the student's bank account. The complete process will take 3 to 4 months after submitting the application form. Students will receive Rs 10,000 as the scholarship amount. This amount may change in various courses. Contact details for Nabana Scholarship. Students who applied for West Bengal Chief Minister Relief Fund Scholarship or Nabana Scholarship to check their application status can contact to Nabana through phone call or by visiting Nabana, Howrah or Jalpaiguri. The West Bengal Chief Minister Relief Fund Scholarship contact numbers are showing on your screen. You can also visit official website for any updates about Nabana Scholarship. If you have any questions about the scholarship, please post your questions in the comment box. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe this channel. Before ending this video, you must know about the frequently asked questions. That who can apply for Nabana Scholarship Scheme? Students who passed their Madhyamik or higher education examination and took admission on any HS, UG, PG course can apply for this scholarship. What is the last date of Nabana Scholarship Application 2020? There is no any exact last date to apply for WBCMO Nabana Scholarship. You can apply anytime during your current course. How can I check my Nabana Scholarship application status? The complete application process is offline, so you cannot check Nabana Scholarship application status online from any website. Although you can visit Nabana with the application receipt to know your application status. Can I send the application form through speed post? Yes, you can send the application form through speed post, but you may not receive the scholarship amount, as WBCMO Scholarship Authority will give you a receipt copy when you submit the application form at Nabana. In the case of speed post application, you will not get any receipt copy. If applied for another scholarship, then can I apply for Nabana Scholarship? No, you cannot apply for this scholarship. You can only apply for one scholarship for your current course. When I will get the Nabana scholarship amount? This depends upon various factors like selection, availability of fund, number of applicants, etc. Generally, it will take 4 to 8 months to get Nabana scholarship amount if you will get selected. How can I apply for Nabana scholarship renewal? As per the official notification, one student can only apply once during his or her current course for Nabana scholarship. So there is no option available for renewal application. Thank you.